Guys, it's my last donut ever.
Go Keontae battle. Hey, go Keontae battle. Hey, go Keontae battle. Go Keontae battle. Hey.
Guys, life is tough right now for everybody. But this needs to be my last day eating donuts. What is the day? Today is April 18th. I'm sweaty. I was riding my bike. I'm trying to find a dope place to chill out again at my old school. I'm on some stairs. Today, my last day eating donuts. I hope we're gonna try to let this happen. The diet must happen. Sprinkle. Go. This right here could be the reason why I'm single, because I eat so unhealthily. Who knows? I don't know. I need to change my diet, man. This is my last donut ever. I wonder how y'all feel about vlogs. Do y'all even like vlogs? Let me know. Let me get a thumbnail. Today, I hereby declare Keontae to not eating donuts ever again for, dang, I didn't even realize how long, for a day. Oh, clickbait. Nah, maybe, hopefully, about 6 months. It was all cap. Yeah, man, I had a donut yesterday and the day before. I'm a fraud. Freaking. It's hard to go on a diet bound. I'm going to go on a diet. I got a donut and I forgot. It was cap. I had a donut. That wasn't my last donut. But this right here, this next clip, that was my last donut. I'm really going to try to keep it real with y'all. We're really going to try to give this 6 months. We're really going to try to see how far we can take this. I'm sorry, but let's get this. Hopefully this could be my last donut. Let's see. Let's do it.
Alright, man. Now you're about to witness me eating my real last donut.
Temptation, you can just deny it. You don't have to eat it.
It's too late though, I already messed up. I want my uncle to keep tabs on me.
Oh yeah, I am.
Starting today. Now what's the actual date? April 26th. The last time I talked to y'all was April 18th from that clip. It's my last donut ever. But hopefully today is real. Hopefully by 27th and beyond, I'm not eating donuts. I really gotta keep track of this now.
End up looking like a donut.
Exactly. I just need to go on a diet, y'all. It's hard for me. I talk a lot. I talk more than I do, okay? Yeah, I really didn't have to eat this.
Boy, you are.
For Kobe. Yeah, I went right by the garbage can. Okay, see you guys on the next one. Peace. Water's good for the body.
I walk the city.